And we're back. Hopefully this time my microphone is recording. So let's do some background colors, make this look a little bit more appealing, and then from there, I think the next episode, I want to do like an actual project of something you could use from start to finish. So let's get started here. So to specify colors, it's the property .bg for most of everything. So let's specify a color for the background. So let's use our sliders here to pick some cool colors now that we can visualize the colors. Alright, so let's do a like frosty blue for the background. What about that one? So, and that's updating too fast for me to copy it. So we'll do, up here we'll just kind of like define some colors. So let's see, light blue. You can name these whatever you want. 166, 209, 188. So normally if you kind of slow down the update of this text box, you can copy and paste it, but it's not that big of a deal. Alright, so that's going to be the background. So, okay, well actually before I do that, let's get the rest of our colors. So the background for the text box, I want that to be a gray color, like a light gray. So I know 70 range, that's gray. I want it to be a little lighter though, so I'd have to go up here. And let's see, go a little lighter. And maybe just a little lighter. And I think that's still gray. I want it to be very light. So light gray. And I spell my gray with an E. Let's see, 232, 231, actually, since I didn't realize those are so close. So 232, 232, 232. We'll just make it easy. Alright, so that'll be the background of the text box. The sliders, so sometimes I have problems with the sliders. Most of the time they like to follow the same background color, as a background. I don't really know why. Everything else I can usually get whatever color I want. But let's try, what color do we want for these? Let's see here. That's gray again. Green. Do we want a green? Let's go with a green. So that's all the way green there. It's should be maybe a light green. We're going with light colors, I guess. It's more of a blue. We'll try that. This is probably gonna look all kinds of crazy, but that's alright. So 193, 255, and 190. Let me see what this looks like down a little bit. Actually, I'll turn that one down a little bit. So that's the green, so 247. That's not too much, but... And I want the push button to be blue. So let's do... How blue do we want this? That looks good. So we'll do blue, blue 2, because I already have blue as something else, as all the way blue. 82, 131, and 255. And let's see, we'll do the text of the updating. Let's do that in an amber. So an amber equals, so orange, where's orange at? I forgot how you make orange. There we go. It's more of a pink, right? There we go. So it's gonna be 255, 208, 90, And I think that's all the colors. So the background, I want it to be light blue, I said. So on the app line, so this line here, we're going to comma space BG equals light blue. And one reason I define the colors up here is so I don't have to put in the RGB code down here. It's just something that I can remember a lot easier than the numbers. And let's just see if that took. And it did take. But you see how the sliders, well, everything is that background, so I'll let you know what I'm talking about after. So we want the text box to be light gray. So we go down to where our text box line is. And at the end, actually, I always have to specify these as a property underneath. It just works better that way for me. So I'll do whatever.bg. The instructions say you can put it on the end here, but I've never had luck with that. Equals light gray. And let's just see if that took, and it did. So these sliders I wanted to do light green. So all the sliders are going to be light green, so let's put that down here. Slide 1, light green. I'm just going to copy and paste these real quick. Control C, Control V, Control V. And we just have to remember to rename these. That way we specify all of them there. And so let's see if the sliders change. Oh, they did. I have one GUI, they completely didn't change. Alright, cool. Maybe that's working well then. Let's see. So the last one we want to do is, well, not the last one. So the button's going to be blue 2. So under button, I'm going to do, we named it push.bg equals blue 2. And then the dynamic changing text, we're going to do change text.bg. BG is just background. See, change, I keep doing that. And what did we do for that? Amber. Control S, F5. And actually, I don't want to change the background for the dynamic text. I want to change the text itself. So we're going to have to specify text color equals amber. Control S, F5. So now the text only is amber. Amber-ish. So there you go. Now you can make them all sorts of colors. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.